and welcome to Fast Track Morning Weather. First of all, hope you guys are off to a great start this morning. It is April 16th already, and so as we look here, as I pull up my tablet right now, as we look here at the radar, you can see Fast Track HD Doppler radar. We're clear across the area here, except for seeing a little shower showing up in Fayette County, and then we're also seeing some rain shower activity across the north that could impact parts of Mercer County as well, because there is a band of rain that is moving across Indiana right now. So that will continue to move to the northeast, really. And I'll actually pull back the bigger picture here, and I'll show you that, because we do have a lot to talk about in the show, okay? So as I put this into motion, you can see here on the regional radar, you see there's those rain showers that I was just talking about, moving through the northwestern parts of the Miami Valley, and then also here as well, there's that band of rain right there that is moving through Indiana right now. This will continue to move to the northeast, but it could also impact the western parts of the Miami Valley, especially our Indiana counties right now. Sorry if I sniff. I have really bad allergies. But yeah, you can see that here as that continues to move to the northeast, really. So this shouldn't impact us much, except for getting brushed by on the western sides of the viewing area, okay? I'll go ahead and stop this loop. And we'll zoom back in. And we'll take a look at current temperatures this morning. So you can see here current temperatures. They are on the mild side this morning, as there they are. You can see 70 down in Butler County, 63 in Wilmington, 64 in Miamisburg, 66 over in Vandalia, as well as Southern Clark County, and northern and into Darke County as well, 66 there as well. And then up as you get across the north, the further north you get, 64 up into Auglaize County. And these will continue to climb throughout the day. Expected to hit the 70s today. There is one thing, though, that is going to be happening in the forecast. And let me switch that here. We'll go over to graphics, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. There it is. So you can see here today and tonight's forecast. Okay, so today we're going to be dealing with overcast today with a high of 75. And then tonight we're going to be dealing with clear to partly cloudy skies, rather, with a low 52. That's our target low tonight, all right? As you look at your Fast Track 7-day forecast, you can see Thursday, today rather, cloudy with a high of 75. Tomorrow, mostly sunny with a high of 81 and a low 52. So it's going to be nice tomorrow, but it is going to be also warm on that warm side. And then Saturday is the day that is going to be a fast track weather alert day, because we are watching for the chance of some thunderstorms. I haven't seen anything come from the Storm Prediction Center about that, but I will let you guys know if anything changes about that. But high 66 and low 63. And actually, let's go ahead and we'll go back to Fast Track HD Doppler radar, and I'll put it on Futurecast. Let's see here, Future Radar. There we go. There's the Futurecast right there. I'm gonna have to actually switch this at the top. There we go. Okay, so as you can see here, as we run the loop from right now all the way up to 10 a.m., you can see as those showers, they will continue to move to the northeast, okay? But you can also notice there's still the potential that we may see a couple pop-up showers here in the Miami Valley, especially during the early morning hours. You can see a couple being indicated across across the Miami and Shelby County line, and even down into parts of Fayette and Union counties as well, and into Randolph County as well. You can see some pop-up ones there. So not a question that we could see a little bit of some pop-up activity going on. And then, but here's the other thing though, and we'll stop this loop and put it at real time. Let's see here. We're going to go, let me see here if I can, okay, I'm going to have to go over to the 48 hour. Okay, so we're going to go, okay, so here we go. And this is Saturday at 2 a.m. and I'm only able to get up to 2 o'clock in the morning because that's as far out as it'll go right now. But yeah, as you can see here, so, and keep in mind, I know I haven't shown future radar in a long time. So keep in mind, this right here is the current time, and this right here, it's hard to read, but it's the future. But that is the future time right there. Okay, that's out into the future. Okay, so this is Futurecast in 48-hour range. Okay, so this is all the way at the end of the run, and you can see here by 2 o'clock on Saturday morning, that's when we're looking at these storms gathering off to our west. Okay, so I'll watch this very carefully and see what happens and see if the Storm Prediction Center puts any outlooks out for us in terms of severe weather. But I don't think we'll have enough energy, okay, because temperatures are only supposed to be in the 60s that day, and so there could be a little bit of some stabilization there, but I don't think anything enough to cause any major severe weather, aside from some heavy downpours. You can see here on the future radar, you see those embedded heavier colors showing up. That's indicating that there could be some heavier rain. All right, so I'll watch this very carefully as we get closer to Saturday and see what happens. And if anything changes, I'll certainly let you guys know. Okay, so but that is but well, let's actually go back over to graphics. Sorry, I haven't done Fast Track morning weather in a long time. Okay, in a while, so I've kind of lost track. Okay, so as we go back over to graphics, okay, I know I was about to end the show, but no, we still have to get through the rest of the forecast. Okay, so anyway, but yeah, Saturday thunderstorms, Sunday mostly sunny. Get this, so look, thunderstorms on Saturday. It's going to be in the 60s, and then as we get into Sunday, we're going to be in the 50s. Mostly sunny with a high of 53 to low 36. And Monday, mostly sunny as well with a high of 54 to low 30s. So both of these days are going to start out chilly right here, down in the 30s. So you're going to want to start out with a jacket. But as we get towards Tuesday, you can see partly cloudy skies with a high of 75 and a low 40s. So we're going to start warming back up again. But we'll start down in the 40s that day, okay? And then Wednesday, we're watching for the chance of some more more shower activity in the afternoon. You see afternoon showers with high 75 and a low 55. So I'll keep an eye on Saturday and Wednesday as well and let you guys know if anything changes. Be sure to follow me on Facebook and YouTube. They're both the same, the Fast Track Storm Center. And also follow me on Instagram at Fast Track Storm Center, all right? I know it's hard to see. I'll figure out another way to get that more clear, okay? I'll probably move it right here next to the Facebook and YouTube ones, okay? So that is Fast Track morning weather for Thursday, April 16th. I hope you guys have a great day. And if you, I'll see you guys like next time, all right? And so I'll put the radar back on so you can close it out with this. And there's future radar right there. And again, I'll be watching that, all right? But for now, you guys take care and stay safe and have a wonderful day. And I'll talk to you guys hopefully tomorrow, all right? So, bye for now.